How to highlight the current row in Excel. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can highlight the current row in Excel. For that, you first want to open Microsoft Excel on your laptop or PC. Then open the file where you want to highlight the current row. Now you want to highlight all the data except the heading. So you want to select this cell. Now you want to press Ctrl, Shift and End. Once it has been selected, you want to click on the option of Conditional Formatting. Now select New Rule. From the option of Select a Rule Type, select the last one. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here it says Format Values, where this formula is true. You want to type equals row bracket, the cell that you have selected, bracket close, equals cell, bracket open, quotation row, quotation close, bracket close. Once you have typed the formula, click on the Format option and select a color. Now click on the OK option and click on OK again, and now you will find that the first row has been highlighted. After this, you want to right click where it says Sheet, then select the option of View Code. Now from this drop down, select Worksheet. Here you want to type Activate Cell.Calculate, then click on the cross mark for both of this. Now you want to click on any row and you will find it has been now highlighted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.